Hey guys, it's Sean here. I'm going to do the quote of the day is art is never finished, only abandoned by Leonardo da Vinci. If you don't know, he painted the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa was originally kind of finished in 1503 or 4, and he had painted kind of the original one in 1 or 2 years. But then he continually retouching it till 1517. So basically a 14-year painting process, which is a very, very long time to paint a painting. But back in the Middle Ages, 1500s, there really wasn't a lot of material, even though Leonardo da Vinci had a patron. Materials were extremely precious. Even paper was hard to get to. So people might redo the paper or use both sides of the paper, reuse it, erase it, reuse it. So the fact that he worked on a painting for 14 years isn't surprising at this time frame. Nowadays we have digital art, so it's a completely different process. You can just do a million versions of digital art, so it's a completely different process. You can see that in NFTs right now. It's just blowing up, and there's millions and millions of images, and people literally probably take a few minutes and tweak a little colors, redo another one, tweak a couple colors, do another one, add a hat, do another one. So really kind of an interesting trend versus what Leonardo was growing up. In my own art, I think there's several paintings where, like this one behind me, I'm kind of thinking about it like, oh, how could I improve this painting? I could add some subtle layering and really make it a lot more complex, but I won't do that. But I do get, very tempted some days to go and finish a painting that's already done. Like, especially some of my earlier political pop, I feel like I could do them a lot better nowadays. And I don't feel like redoing them, but I feel like I could redo that in a way better way nowadays. So maybe I'll do that in the future. But that's my take on the quote of the day by Leonardo da Vinci.